Wow, it's pouring. I'm back again because it's pouring even heavier. And there was a hailstorm a minute ago where you can see the ice. Oh, there it is popping up. Oh, look at it. All the hailstorm, all the ice crystals popping all over the balcony. Very heavy and snowy. Excited too, my pet bird. Wondering what's going on. Animals are always sensitive. He's so excited as well. He's calling me at the back. See? Oh! What is he saying now? Shoo! He's saying shoo. He doesn't like this rain or what? See the hailstorm? It's hailstorm, look! Oh, popping into our balcony. It's very heavy rain. Very heavy rain in Sydney. Wow. Look at the road all flooded in water. Oop. Oop. That's the ice. This is the ice. Oop. Little small lump of ice. Yeah. Ice cube. Tiny little ice cube. Tiny little ice cube. Okay, it's subsided again now a little. Bye.